Everybody's in love with this amazing GPS Coast Guard helicopter, one of the highest tech, easiest to fly RC helicopters in the world. Here are 5 reasons this helicopter is amazing. The scale detail of this thing is absolutely amazing, from sliding doors to functional rubber shocks on the landing gear. The included radio makes this thing extremely easy to fly with an amazing GPS lock. The 4-blade prop with the brushless motors makes this extremely hobby grade. I've also never seen a helicopter with a circle stunt or a heart stunt. Reason 5, the sound.